Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can add a web page to your favorites using Microsoft Edge browser. So launch your Microsoft Edge browser, open your site. I am currently using google.com. It could be your any website that you prefer to make it as your favorite. To make it as my favorite, just you have to go here to this button, favorites, click on here. Now click on this, add this page to favorites button, and now this favorite web page is now available to your favorite bar. So next time if you want to launch your favorite web page, simply come here and click this, and now you are having your favorite web page here. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.